Hello everyone. Today in this video I will be discussing about the circular look algorithm. Now the circular look algorithm is a variation of the circular scan algorithm. So there will be similarities and dissimilarities between those two algorithms. Okay, that is the CLOOK and the C-scan algorithm. Now what are the similarities? The similarities is that we will move towards one direction first, okay, and then suddenly we will reverse our direction and move till the other end, okay, and then we will service the request from that end. But the dissimilarity is that in C-scan algorithm we used to move till the end of one direction and reverse our direction and move to the end of the other direction. But in this case, in CLOOK algorithm, what we will do, we will move till the last request on one side of the current head position, then reverse our direction from that head position and move to the furthermost request head position on the other direction. So let's see. We will start from 100, we will move to 95, then to 55, then to 50, then to 40. Okay, now we will stop here, we will not move to 0. From 40, we will reverse our direction and move to 147. But in C-scan algorithm, what we used to do, we used to move till 199 from 0. But here we stopped at 147, which is the maximum request position in our disk. Okay. So from 147 now we will service our requests. So 143, 130, 110 and finally 103. So let's label the movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now you can deduce one thing from the CLOOK and the LOOK algorithms, that is, in case of scan and C-scan algorithms we used to have additional movements, okay, but in LOOK and CLOOK algorithm you can see that we don't have any additional movement, but rest everything is same for these pairs, okay, that is the scan and LOOK, C-scan and CLOOK. So let's calculate the total number of head movements. So it is 100 minus 40, then we have 147 minus 103, and we have 147 minus 40, which is equal to, this is equal to 211. Okay. So we have calculated the total number of head movements. Now, since this is the last video on disk scheduling, now in this video I will be doing the comparison of efficiency for all the algorithms. So let's start doing that. Now, if you have watched my previous videos on disk scheduling, you will know for FCFS we have total number of head movements as 370. For SSTF we had 184. Okay. For scan we had I think 247. For C-scan we had 395. For LOOK we had 167, and for CLOOK we had 211. So if we arrange them in the increasing order of efficiency, then first position will be backed by C-scan, because it is the least efficient algorithm in terms of total head movements. Okay. Then we are having FCFS number 2. Then we are having scan number 3. Then we have CLOOK number 4. Then SSTF number 5, and finally LOOK number 6. So LOOK algorithm is the most efficient one among all these 6 algorithms. Okay, and the least efficient one is the C-scan algorithm in terms of total head movements. Okay, so this was all about the CLOOK algorithm and the comparison for efficiency. So stay tuned to my channel for my videos, my upcoming videos on this course and other courses. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and share the videos among your friends. Thank you.